Every morning, we recommit to the quality that makes Ferrero Rocher unique, delivered fresh around the world. Here at the heart of the factory, the finest hazelnuts begin their slow, meticulous journey through our colossal steel roasters.
This satisfying process transforms the roasted nuts into a rich, creamy paste ready for use. The art of Ferrero Rocher, crafted with precision and care.
System online. Every piece crafted to perfection. Enjoy the future of flavor.
Swathed in a cooling mist, preparing for their golden embrace. A masterpiece of confectionery.
This machine handles the gold foil at incredible speeds, ensuring perfect seals every time.
With this Ferrero Rocher, you are truly spoiling your loved ones.
High-speed, precision scanning guarantees the perfect quality of every golden wrapper.
Only the finest cocoa beans are selected for our signature slow-churned velvet chocolate.
Attention all staff. Q4 shipments must be processed by end of day. Ensure all Ferrero Rocher pallets are secured. The sheets are baked to a perfect golden crisp before our precision blades score the delicate layers.
Quality control check on line 4. Ensure temperature stabilization is complete before packaging.
The secret to our velvety smooth hazelnut spread is the slow churning process in these giant vats.
Only the finest hazelnuts are selected, then coated in a thick layer of our signature smooth milk chocolate. Cooled instantly to preserve the exquisite flavor. A moment of perfection, crafted for you.
Here at the factory, we blend tradition with state-of-the-art technology to create the finest chocolates in the world.
Experience the golden pleasure of a perfect moment.
Check the temperature on line 3. Okay. It's running a little high, adjusting now. Good. Make sure the flow rate is steady.
The golden experience, crafted with precision. Only the finest hazelnuts are selected for this moment.
Experience the new definition of luxury. Smooth milk chocolate, perfected.
Irregularity detected. Item removed from production line.
The ultimate expression of luxury, perfectly arranged for your enjoyment.
A symphony of rich milk chocolate and delicately roasted hazelnuts. Automated wrapping sequence engaged. Precision packaging ensures perfect results every time.
Rich, dark chocolate slowly cascading over these crunchy, toasted hazelnuts. So decadent and smooth.
Every piece crafted with exquisite detail, a symphony of flavor and design.
Our state-of-the-art facilities ensure that every Ferrero Rocher is perfectly packaged at incredible speed. Every day, we craft thousands of these exquisite chocolates, ensuring perfection in every bite.
The secret to perfect couverture lies, as you can see, the gloss is
Here at the heart of our facility, we blend the finest cocoa with a passion for perfection, ensuring every piece is a masterpiece. Look closely at the delicate, airy structure. It's baked to a perfect golden brown, promising an exquisite crunch. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that only the finest chocolates reach you, undergoing a rigorous final inspection.
Witness the fusion of rich milk chocolate and aromatic hazelnut, slowly conched to create the velvety smooth cascade, dripping slowly.
This one has a damaged wrapper, putting it aside.
All right, keep an eye on the next tray.
The secret to our creamy hazelnut spread lies in this precise stretching process, ensuring perfect texture every time. A journey through the chill, preserving the delicate perfection within the gold.
All systems operational. Cycle 42 complete. Output stabilized at maximum efficiency.
Each Ferrero Rocher is handled with the utmost care, ensuring the perfect experience.
Here in the heart of the factory, our master chocolatiers oversee the freshest cacao as it is gently churned to perfection.
Keep an eye on the cooling tunnel temperature.
Roger that. Everything is running smoothly on the wrapping line.
The secret to our velvety, smooth milk chocolate lies in the precise tempering process, ensuring every bite is pure bliss.
Welcome to the home of perfection. Endless layers of exquisite Ferrero Rocher, waiting to be discovered.
Kept perfectly chilled for a taste beyond expectation. The ultimate expression of luxury.
The exquisite taste of Ferrero Rocher, now enveloped in a cascade of rich, dark chocolate.
The alignment on row 3 is slightly off.
Adjusting the feeder now. A symphony of textures. The crisp wafer, the creamy filling, and the perfect hazelnut at the heart. Experience true luxury.
The art of perfection, crafted with precision. A symphony of rich chocolate and roasted hazelnut, elegantly wrapped in gold.
Sourced from the finest orchards, our hazelnuts are perfectly roasted and ready for your enjoyment.
Check the alignment on line 3.
Looks perfect, Supervisor. The gold application is flawless.
Moisture levels are slightly elevated on batch C.
Yes, I see that. Let's monitor the next tray closely.
State-of-the-art technology ensures every collection is assembled with the utmost care and precision.
Line 5 is running smoothly. Ensure all packaging meets quality standards. A moment of pure indulgence, wrapped in gold.
Sector Gamma is now operating at maximum capacity. Ensure all containment units are secured.
Make sure the pallets for the Middle East shipment are wrapped twice. We can't afford any damage in transit.
The finest hazelnuts, dipped in smooth chocolate and surrounded by a golden embrace.